Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all guys? I wish you all are in good health by the bless of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to my channel Aryan Art Academy and my name is Aryan Alam Farhan. Today I am going to show you guys 3 simple design for your project assignment or notebook design. You can use this design in your front page. So if you are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the get all new notification of my channel. And if you like my video, you can give the thumbs up, and if you don't like my video, so you can give the dislike button. And you also can comment in my video how was my video and what do you think about my video. So let's go and watch the video.